What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY carpet stretching tool, aka carpet kicker. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it.
Alright, now just grab any scrap of wood you have. This happens to be a 2x3. 2x4 would be perfect, or any real scrap of wood you have. And I'd say cut it to length about anywhere between 18 and 22 inches. That'll be the main length of the tool. Then we'll go ahead and cut another couple blocks, maybe about 5 inches. Those blocks will be for the kicker or for tapping with a hammer. Now we can either put long screws through this, like 3-inch screws or so, but I'm just going to cut a little piece of this plywood off, then I'll just put the screws through this. Then I'll go ahead and pre-drill 6 holes for the screws at that angle. Then I'll go ahead and drive those screws down through. Now I suppose you could use nails if you wanted. I think the screws will be less likely to bend, and I think they'll have a little better grab. Okay, now it's time to screw it all together. We've got our screws protruding. They're going to be facing angled forward, and they're coming through about 5/8 of an inch. Screwed in the matching back piece, the same thickness as the front. Now all that's left is to put our 2 little pieces on for our kicker. Found this handle in my pile of junk. You could just as easily make a block to hold on to. We have our blocks for our kicker, our screws at an angle. Now I just looked at this, and you may want to put them a little further apart. Mine got kind of close together. I'd probably put them more closer to the edges so that the force will be spread a little wider. Alright, let's try this thing out. Now you can put pads on the end, or you can just put knee pads on and flip them upside down. Or you can just use it like with a hammer. I ended up making the tip a little bigger with 9 screws, and I took that handle off. It was just digging in too much. But just start off in the corner. Dig those screws in first about an inch or so away from the tack strips. And I'm just going to use my hammer. Then you got to jam something down to push it against the tack strip. Now I do want to mention, if you don't have success with this, Home Depot and Lowe's do rent the actual tools. You can get them for about, I think, $20 for a full day. But this was free, so I figured I'd give this a chance. I'm only doing a small room, so. You could also use like a really stiff putty knife or a scraper. You kind of want to jam it in that groove underneath the baseboard, or if you don't have baseboard, you know, tied up against the wall. If you do have baseboard, you kind of want to jam it in underneath to hold it onto that strip. And you can tell when you get it. You just pick at the carpet and try and pull it up, and you'll feel it when it grabs onto the tack. Alright guys, well the carpet came out pretty good using the carpet kicker. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.